Hi, I'm at the exocad stand today at IDS, and I'm with Till, CEO and co-founder of exocad. Till, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Ben.
How does the partnership with ModuleWorks impact that?
Well, we have partnerships throughout the industry on a technical level and on a commercial level. So when it comes to TruMPF calculation, ModuleWorks is a key company we work with to provide a comprehensive solution. We provide the user interface, for example, as part of chairside CAD with the in-CAD nesting, or as part of dental CAD. And ModuleWorks does the TruMPF calculation, all the difficult calculations that make the machine run exactly the right way. And our distributors love that as well.
Hi Nicolas, good to see you again.
Hi Ben, thank you for coming.
How does the partnership with ModuleWorks impact your highlights and what type of innovation you're bringing to the market?
Yeah, it fits perfectly just because that E-series, it's all about easiness, like the name says, and the machines are easy to install, easy to operate, and easy to maintain. And the software for the E3 is done by ModuleWorks together in cooperation with VHF, and it's also very, very easy. Let me give you one example. You import the STL file, the model, and then AI technology is automatically detecting the trim line. So it makes it easy.
Very happy that we can contribute to bringing easy-to-use innovation to digital dentistry. Thank you very much, Nicolas.
Thank you, Ben.
Hi, Timo.
Hi, Ben. Nice to see you again.
Good to see you. Tell me a bit about how the partnership with ModuleWorks impacts that.
Yeah. So when we started the development of our own build processor, TRUMPF Sprint, we decided to not go from scratch and start everything on our own, but search for an experienced partner to help us in the whole development phase. And with ModuleWorks, we are still developing the whole solution further and further to make sure that the solution fits the TruePrint machines perfectly and also meets the needs of the customers.
Hi, Christian. Good to see you again.
Hi, Ben. Thanks for having me. So we're always thinking end to end. So if we produce or if we develop a workflow, it's always thinking to the end of the product, the end restoration. And ModuleWorks is a very important part of the workflow of how we produce the final restoration. And we just have here one of the newest innovations, which we call diamond finishing. It's a dry milling of hybrid materials where we use different burrs and a very innovative strategy to have very fine restorations out of a very innovative material.
Now, it's great to see how the two worlds come together of the entire workflow and our part in manufacturing.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.